So good afternoon students. So welcome you all for the case study discussion. So today we are going to discuss one of the Mango Big 7 company, Amazon. So today we are going to start with the case study on Amazon and I request the students to start with the case study.
So good afternoon to all. In this case study of Amazon e-commerce platform. So Amazon is one of the largest e-commerce platform in the world. So in this case study is Amazon is achieving a zero carbon emissions in the 2040 period. So evaluating the business strategy using for TOWS is matrix business strategy. What is TOWS is the only way of easier align the sustainability in the global industry where Amazon using this function strategy. It is the full form of the only way is there is aligning sustainability, resources allocated, how to business development and developing process of the Amazon is a TOWS method. And business level strategy and maintenance is the customer consumer allocate product sales for the easy way to collect the users goals achieved Amazon is the business strategy.
Yes, the next question.
Evaluation of sustainability challenges in Amazon, supply chain and logistics. Amazon's global operations faces several sustainability changes. Transportation emissions, heavy reliance on fossil fuel for delivery fleets, van, trucks, cargo planes, warehouse energy consumption, high energy uses in data centers and fulfillment centers, often powered by non-renewable resources, packaging wastages, single-use plastics and excess packaging materials, supply sustainability, ensuring suppliers adhere to low carbon practices, supply sustainability, reverse logistics, emissions from product returns and refurbishment, compliance with varying environment regulations across countries.
So here we have the matrix of TOWS, which is first of all we have to know what is TOWS. It is an external traditional SWOT analysis to integrating the industrial trends on environment. In today's scenario, the companies are focusing on ESG, which is environment, social governance. So, taking case of this environment, social governance, Amazon taking this matrix to apply in their e-commerce thing. Because of doing this is a good matrix to practicing the sustainable and growth of environment in the industries. So they are focusing on the table which has said that which this strong industrial trends, they are focusing on data analysis parts which is used for customer acquisition. So throughout the data of the customers, how the buying patterns, how the purchasing patterns, how they are using their spending time in this e-commerce site, and then they are focusing on R&D development, which is focused for renewable energy. Renewable energies, we all may know about that. The thing which can be used again and again, that's what renewable energy. So they are focusing on renewable energy and customer data acquisition analysis, and then the external part they are focusing on eco-friendly package. That is what they have already done in Amazon. Lot of times you can receive your package in the symbol of it is based on eco-friendly product. This package is based on eco-friendly product because the plastic waste of the Amazon is consumption more in the world today's scenario. So they have wanted to packaging their product is not harmful for the environment. And then what is their weakness means they are using transportations. Okay, while using the transportations, it have a lot of carbon emissions. It is affected for environment also. So that is their weakness. How their industrial threats means they have a lot of competitors because of lot of D2C, which is direct to consumer platforms are available, and even though a small startups also having their own website to promoting their e-commerce sites, they are shifting into compared to offline, they are shifting into online for reaching worldwide. So this is the major industrial threats because of even a small size companies also doing their e-commerce business. And then what is their environmental threats means, which is already we have discussed, the packaging material. It is causes some kind of pollution, either they are using a good manner of packaging materials because of ordering by Amazon. It is not only for high class people, it is always for all categories of people. So while we taking into high quality means it is not able to acquire by the customers. So they have to focusing on that. So this is what about the metrics of Amazon, how they are using to sustain in the industries for an environmental reasons.
Today I am telling about resource allocation strategies aligned with sustainability goals. Electrify deliver feed. Allocate $100 billion to transaction to EVs by 2030. Renewable energy investment. Power all warehouses with 100% renewable by 2025. Sustainable packaging. Develop biodegradable returnable packaging solution. Supplier incentive. Fund supplier to adapt carbon natural practice. Next topic is steps for implementing strategies. Create urgency. Share run on climate risks and completed action to justify their farm condition. Engage executive suppliers and sustainability expert in task force. Develop a clear vision. Publish a roadmap with a milestone. Thank you.
So I want you to conclude what you have learned from this case study. Any one of you to conclude this?
We are going to see about strategic change in implementing the steps. There are 3 ways of strategy: address supply resistance, pilot short-term wins, institution change. In this address supply resistance means offering subsidies for adapting clean energy and non-compliance, launch a carbon neutral delivery hub in a key market to demonstrate feasibility, is known as pilot short-term. Embed sustainability into Amazon's leadership principles and the audit process. And the last, we are going to see about conclusion by combining housing driven initiatives with tagged resources, allocating and the structural change, and they manage Amazon can overcome supply chain changes, align stakeholders, and the progress towards into 2040 market, and they set the goal into zero.
So that's why so we hope that Amazon will reach their target by 2040, having net carbon zero, net carbon emission. So thank you all for discussing on the case study. So we